This is the Wake and Bake Podcast. I'm Philly Phil. This is episode 63. The time is 8:09. And it's Sexy Saturday. Slutty Saturday. Slut me out. This morning's Wake and Bake is brought to you by Colt 45. The weed is pre-rolled. No time for rolling today. Ain't nobody got time for that. Sports news. Pittsburgh beat the New York Mets yesterday 14-7. We have a home game today at PNC Park at 4:05. Let's go, Bucks. Inhale. Exhale. Cough, cough. The weather today is going to be a high of 82. The low for today is a low of 50. It's going to be a sunny one today. Missing children found in the Amazon after 40 days. Missing children whose plane crashed in the Amazon 40 days ago. Search and rescue workers just found the Amazon kids. 4 children survived the plane crash and lived in the Amazon for 40 days. Like out of a movie or something. I mean, it's not that hard to survive in the fucking jungle. If some fucking kids figure it out. Find some water, eat some plants, hunt some shit. I don't know, little birds, squirrels and shit. That's why I ain't give a fuck about that little 10-year-old bitch. 24 hours, nigga. These niggas did 40 days. That's admirable. Fuck your little 24 hours, bitch. That's a lot. Oh, shit. Refreshing. That's a walk in the park, 24 fucking hours. These niggas crashed the plane. They rode that motherfucker to the ground, nigga. I would ride that shit like the nigga who rode the atom bomb. You know, the nigga who rides the atom bomb when they drop the atom bomb, you know what I'm saying? He takes off the cowboy hat. and he rides the atom bomb to oblivion. Oblivion. They rode the fucking plane, rode that bitch into the ground. Atom bomb shit. Then survive in the jungle for 40 days, hunting baboons, eating fucking baboon ass. What we having today, fried baboon ass. Only to be rescued. I feel like they shouldn't have rescued them niggas. They should have let their lives play out. They could have just been some Tarzan motherfuckers with the full beard and the fucking banana hammock. Nine people shot in San Francisco. No deaths reported. So 9 people got a bullet in their ass. Every day, they gotta wake up for the rest of their life with their ass hurting because they got a bullet in their cheek. Very, very inconsiderate of the shooter. If you're gonna fucking shoot me, put me out of my fucking misery. Don't give me a fucking injury or ailment that I gotta live with for the rest of my life. You fucking piece of shit. And nine is fucking baby numbers. Get it to an even 10. Bastard. Two of Trump's lawyers quit a day after his second indictment. Ex-President Trump's lawyers quit on him. The lawyers aren't lawyering. I'm like, damn, but that's your whole fucking job, nigga. The only thing you do is lawyer and you gonna fucking quit. He said, I'm out. Florida woman admits she hurled around racial slurs before shooting her neighbor. We all knew the bitch was racist. We knew from the jump. She shouldn't have said anything. Because now she gave away that she's racist. And they're going to use that against her. So if you're racist, don't tell the lawyers and prosecutors that you're racist. Because they're going to use it against you. Low brain, low IQ, low brained. Marlon Wayans was kicked off of an airplane for disturbing the peace. That nigga's a comedian. He was probably just being a comedian. And they kicked him off. That's some bullshit. He was just doing his shtick. Maybe the nigga was drunk or some shit. Just did a show. He's coming off of a show high, and he's high and drunk, having a good time. Nobody wants to be on a fucking airplane. Just going at thousands of miles an hour that could fucking hurl towards the earth at any moment and kill us all. Yeah, everybody's a little uncomfortable on airplanes. I can see him trying to ease the tension, cut a few jokes. So, L Airline, fuck them niggas. I'll never fly again. Ask me how high. Ask me how I got by. On my darkest days was the brightest dawns. I might call your mom's, 'cause I still got a number saved in my jack. She used to jack me off from the back. And she had hairy palms. Word to your moms. Kicking Marlon Williams off the airplane. He can't fly, coach. I fly high class. I have no class. I'm ashing blunts in my wine glass. Donald Trump's lawyer quit on him. He might as well pull his pants down and shit on him. Pirates take another win. Missing children found again. Surviving in the Amazonian. I shot 9 people in San Francisco, but nobody died. Somebody lied. They gonna die 50 years from now of a heart attack, of a clogged artery. 'Cause my slug hit a vein. My veins run deep. And the Florida woman admits that she's racist. We already knew. Use a jigaboo. I'm on a jigger too. That's one too many. Cough, cough. The Ukraine flood drowns zoo animals. I didn't think there would be any fucking casualties or collateral damage. As they hate just a little bit of fucking water. Oh, that water drowned some fucking zoo animals. Who knew? Save the fucking zoo animals. They're drowning. President Biden is coming to PA to get his votes up. He's coming to shake hands and grease elbows, or shake babies and grease babies. You gotta shake the babies and get elbow grease on their foreheads. Whatever. The prez is coming to PA to do his rounds. That's it. The weed's out. This is the Wake and Bake Podcast. I'm Philly Phil. This is episode 63.